You're welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 English idioms with letter B. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This means to value and keep what you have and not lose it in a bid to have much more. Example: you have won $1,000 today. Take your money or you may end up losing everything. Remember, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Birds of a feather flock together. This means people who have the same or similar character or attitude are usually found together. Example: I am not surprised he is attracted to her. After all, birds of a feather flock together. Take the biscuit or take the cake. This means to be the most surprising, annoying, etc. thing that has happened or that somebody has done. Example: you have done some crazy things recently, but this takes the biscuit. Be bitten by something. This means to develop a strong interest in or enthusiasm for something. Example: he is bitten by the quest for wealth. Bite the hand that feeds you. This means to treat somebody who has helped or supported you badly. Example: remember all the good things Jimmy did to you. Don't bite the hand that fed you. Bite off more than you can chew. This means to try to do too much of something, especially something that is difficult for you to accomplish. Example: taking up 3 jobs at a time is biting off more than you can chew. Bite the bullet. This means to face or deal with something difficult or unpleasant that you cannot avoid. Example: you have to bite the bullet and take the injection. Bite the dust. This means to fail or to be defeated or destroyed. Example: his political ambition beat the dust after the recent scandal. Bite back at somebody or something. This means to react angrily, especially when somebody has criticized or harmed you. Example: she beat back at Paul for betraying her. Bite something back. This means to stop yourself from saying something or from showing your feelings. Example: she's trying hard to bite back her disgust. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Bite into something. This means to cut into the surface of something. Example: the razor blade bit into her skin. A bitter pill for somebody to swallow. This means a fact or an event that is unpleasant and difficult to accept. Example: the recent tax increment has been a bitter pill for workers to swallow. Beat somebody black and blue. This means to beat somebody mercilessly until they are covered in bruises. Example: the suspect was beaten black and blue by the angry mob. Be in the black. This means to have money, for example, in your bank account. Example: she is in the black. She has won the lottery. A blast from the past. This means a person or thing from your past that you see, meet, or hear or come across again in the present. Example: I ran into Betty at the mall today. She is a blast from my past. As blind as a bat. This means of a person or an animal not able to see well. Example, the old man is as blind as a bat. The blind leading the blind. This means a situation in which people with almost no experience or knowledge give advice to others who also have no experience or knowledge as them. Example, sorry, you are not in a good position to advise me on this issue. The blind can't lead to the blind. Blind somebody with science. This means to confuse somebody by using technical or complicated language that they do not understand. Example, I was blinded by science at the tech conference last month. Blind drunk. This means extremely drunk. Example, he was blind drunk last night. In your birthday suit. This means to be without any clothes, to be naked. Example, the kids were in their birthday suits at the beach. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.